it go. First time coming on. Oh, you seeing everything in this joint. This joint super bright. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy King Lee from the 215, and we here with the special ring light. You know, my past videos had low quality, so I had to step it up. And it's a big shout out to Everything's Tay. I'm gonna put her YouTube in the description. I won this on a little giveaway. It's a little Amazon ring light, 19-inch joint. She did a video on it. Now I'm about to do the same thing. Shout out to her. She got me this joint and a nice little Visa card giveaway. Like I said, link in the description. Make sure you go subscribe to her, follow her, all that stuff. Like I said, I put that all down there. So I'm gonna open this up right now. It was, like I said, Amazon. Already opened up this. And my quality, before, if you look at my old videos, wasn't as good. So this one a little gonna be, now my stuff gonna step up and it's gonna be a lot better. So this is how it comes in. Okay. Boom, y'all see it. Got the little ring light right here. And it comes with a stand, and of course, a little tripod. So let me open this up for y'all. You see me try to open it up like that? What am I doing? Boom, boom. Oops. Simple. Okay. Got your little suitcase bag to carry this joint on for travel purposes. Traveling with the tripod. Anything else in there? Nothing else in there? That was great if something else came out. So, got a nice little travel size, little suitcase bag that you can put your tripod in. And I'm guessing the the ring light, and I'm guessing the tripod is in here also. Let me open it up. I said you can put this on around your neck if you want to adjust it, or you could be like a little business joint, just boom, like that. So, open this up. And this is my first time ever having a tripod. I never had a tripod, so bear with me with this review. I'm gonna give my best little opinion. This is my first time having, like I said, show what we got here. So, comes in, you see the ring light. Ring light with all the little gadgets. I guess it's in this brown box that you can connect stuff to. And that's it. Boom. Let me open up the ring light. Okay. Got little panels on the side right here that you connect to here. Boom. Boom. That's connected. Alright. Oh, hold up. My bad, y'all. Alright, cool. So these are all connected. Like I got your knob to tighten this up. Tighten it right here. Oh, it came off. I did not have it on tight. Fail. So, put this on. Let me adjust this real quick, y'all. Alright, so like I said, I got it fixed. And it has everything on the back of it, as you can see. You can turn it on right here, right here, right there. I guess you could use it with batteries instead of, I guess you can plug it into the wall, and then watch it that way. And it does take batteries here. I'm not sure what batteries it take. I'll put that down in the description after I find out. Looks like you can adjust your brightness, your dimness to everything right here. Little knobs, USB, like you could plug your phones or iPads or whatever you want to use. All right in here, and just have to stand it up. Boom, right in front of you. And like I said, you can adjust it this way. So let me pull these gadgets out. Or matter of fact, let me get the tripod. So the tripod is actually at the bottom right here. There's a light stand at the extreme bottom. Get this thing open. Boom. And voila, we got the light stand. So you see as it comes packaged. Okay, so you got your little tripod stand. Then, Okay. Oh, watch yourself, Lee. Extend it is killed yourself. Hold on, time. So it's real easy to adjust. Like you said, don't kill yourself like I almost did. And then, let's see, boom. Mind you, I never worked with a tripod before. As you can see, like I almost killed myself. So it could be, you know, I guess you can adjust the height level on this. Let's see, I wonder how high it's gonna go. Okay. So it's got 3 different levels. Everything. Boom. So this is how high it can go. This is a good level, I guess, if you want to be, you know, stand up tall or whatever the case may be. If you just want to have standing fix, or you have it down here. And I think you can make this even lower to the ground. So you can have it down here if you just want to be laying on the ground and take a pic or something like that, or like some type of photo. I don't know. You can do a different type of stuff with this tripod. It goes low to the ground, and it, you know, as you can see before, it gets real high. So let me just set this up. Let me tighten it. A little knob to tighten it up right here. Right there. Just tighten it up again. And I'm gonna show y'all like the little finished product, and I'll put everything together. So we got the little gadget pieces to get everything situated. You know, can plug this into the back of the to the back of the ring light. Like I said, plug this in. You can either do this into your socket, or, you know, whatever, or you can get batteries. I'm probably going to be the one that just plugs it into the socket and not use batteries. And it comes with the tripod case, so you can put your tripod in here, and I guess you can put the tripod and this ring light both in the same bag and just carry it all in one. So we pull that out, that's out. And it comes with pieces for your phone, iPads, I was about to say iPods, but I don't think they even make those anymore. A little manual. The name of this brand is, I can't even pronounce it. It's like a VC. I don't want to mess this up, but it's like a VC. I think that's how you spell it. IVISII. As you can see, a little ring light. So, okay, I guess you could put either your phone or, well, I think this is more so your iPad. It looks bigger than the phone. Or like the 12 Pro or Max. This you want to adjust. You can adjust to it, and then boom, lock it in. As well as this one as well, right here. This for sure, I think is for the phone. I will show you for my phone, y'all, but I use my phone to record. I don't have a camera yet. I said this is baby steps for YouTube. So this is gonna be I'll show y'all actually a little bit later. I'll do like a little different adjustment for it. So you can put your phone in here, tighten it up, loosen it up, you know, however you want to have it. And this just don't look like it might be secure. As a matter of fact, I do have a phone. 1 second. All right, y'all. So actually, I do remember I do have an old phone, and this is actually the iPhone X. So if you have an X or higher, you know, they practically made the same or like a little higher in length. So this does actually fit on this adjustable little case camera, or not camera case, like little holder. So, you know, if you do your videos, you can put it in right here. Just, you gotta have it up a little bit. Then you can, voila, you know, everything's secure. It's not gonna fall, it's not gonna break. Look, totally trusted. It's totally secure for this, y'all. No lie. I definitely put my phone. I think I'm gonna use this one more than this one, only because I don't like having to constantly go back and forth and then, you know, put your phone in that way. But it does work. If y'all want to see it that way, I'll do that actually for y'all. So let me see where it's at. This is going. It just takes a while because you gotta constantly screw it. I mean, if you want to do that, you can. Me preferably, I'd rather do it the other way. So boom. Just keep screwing till it locks, and voila, boom, you have it right here. Like I said, you can plug it into the back of the ring light right here, boom, and then you have your video. So you can start shooting your video through there. But I'm gonna do that a little bit later in the video. Let's get to putting this whole thing together to see the actual, you know, the brightness and how the quality of my video is about to change. All right, y'all, I got this whole ring light set up. I got mine plugged in. I'm not using any batteries because I don't have the batteries right now. So as you can see, you can adjust this ring light. It does make a little bit of noise. So you got this thing, you can put it flat, and you can put it up like this, how you want it to be. Earlier I talked about how you can have this thing flat to the ground. As you can see, I'm sitting down, so I don't want to have my tripod posted up and on top of me. But I might put it up actually a little bit. Let me just lock this in real quick, just so y'all see the quality. And all the knobs and everything is back here. I did learn by reading the manual that if you are using the batteries, and you're doing this wireless, you got to do it to this side. Like I said, nothing's going to come on. But since I have mine plugged in, and if you want to plug yours in, I'm going to turn it to the right, and then the light's going to come on. So, and you can adjust everything, the knobs, all right through here. So, boom. You see this? This is good quality. Finally, I don't have to have lights on above me. I got this ring light right here that'll bring out the quality in my YouTube videos, or if I want to take pictures, you know. Females, males, anybody can use it. You can adjust the lighting. As you can see, you can dim or brighten it up. Ooh, that's real bright. Some people be with that ring light in their eye when they be talking. So, and then you can adjust it like by color too, by pressing this middle button right here. As you can see, it got like a little yellowish red, bright. Get it back down. So bright. Then you can lock it in, just bring it down. So I'm actually going to show y'all how it's going to look when you have your phone set up. Like I said, you can use either one right here, and the other one is right here. Have either one you can use. I'm gonna use this one for my iPhone. I had the iPhone XS. Like I said, the iPhone X I used earlier, it also fit. So anything from an X and up, it will fit on that phone. Or you can use the iPad, or you can use this if you want to adjust it all the time. So I'm gonna switch it over, and I'm gonna show y'all the quality, how it's gonna look through my remaining videos. All right, y'all, so I got it mounted on top of the ring light. So y'all about to see how the quality of this camera about to look. I can imagine it's about to be crazy quality, about to see everything, all the features, see the little, you know what I mean? Got everything done, all put together. So, oh, this is bright, but the quality probably crazy. I should have had it flipped so I can see a little bit of it. But this is how the quality of the camera gonna be. You know, got the little ring light in the eye. This is the ring light. It's not that much money. It's about like, it runs you $100 unless you use the promo code. I'll put, she had, like I said, everything's safe. She got a promo code on there where you can get, I think like 20% off. So it's a pretty cheap ring light and it's good quality. You got the tripod. It comes with a lot of stuff with it. You got the, you know, the holders. I'm using the other one that stretches, or you can use this one right here. And it also comes with this little adjustable one right here. So it's a great quality ring light, cheap for you, and you can carry it in the bag. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you that you can put everything in the bag at once, and just in case you want to take it on the go, show some friends, you know, if you had like a little trip or anything like that, it's not gonna be that, you know, hard to carry. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. This perfect ring light, like I said, it's high quality, it's cheap. As you can see, you can look, high quality videos is here now. It's your boy King Lee 215, and we are out of here.